Hi guys, it's me. We're gonna make a video for you.
What kind of video? What are you gonna do?
Come follow me. We're gonna be decorating and you'll see, okay? Hello. Sister, get over here. Here's the money. And so now, look. And this is my, Hasimo. You'll see it. And I found from my scissors. And that's this. And right there. And that took my sister's TV outside. And then we're gonna put this right here. And we are making a video. Okay, guys. Another coin.
What are you guys gonna do?
Y'all are gonna come over here and then I'm gonna open it. And you're gonna tell me what you're ordering.
A few moments later.
Guys, this is my Barbie closet. And this is his name.
It's cute.
These are my keys.
Wow.
To have my room.
Oh.
So Tina want to make a mess in my room.
Do you lock your room from your brother?
Yeah. He wanted.
Ooh, he's angry. Angry Tito.
What?
You can come over here and knock right here and so you, hello.
Hi.
What would you like to eat
Pizza.
from McDonald's?
Chicken nuggets
Okay.
and fries.
Hello guys, and this is my Barbie closet. I got my and these are my shoes. I got a lot of food inside here. And I'm going to put all the food right.
It's been 84 years.
Would y'all like a toy?
Yes, please.
I have a lot of toys. Oh, and I don't have no more chicken nuggets. I ran out. But I only have French fries.
Okay, French fries. And a toy, please.
Would you like a crown? Would you like a crown or a toy?
Toy.
Guys, it fell. Maybe I'll get you. Maybe I'll get you two.
Okay.
A toy and a crown.
Yay.
First, I'm gonna make you two.
Okay.
It's been 84 years.
You want strawberries?
Wait.
You want strawberries? You want strawberries?
I have a strawberry.
Say, I want strawberries.
What happened?
What happened?
What happened?
What happened?
What?
There's a strawberry.
Hello, here's your food. So
Ooh.
here's your food. We have French fries, a hot dog, and eggs, yep, and also fish, meat, and corn, and also some salad.
Yummy.
And carrot. Yeah, a carrot. Carrot and a strawberry and also a tomato. Yeah. And pizza.
You guys did a great job on my order. Thank you so much.
And I'll get you toy.
Oh yeah, my toy. Don't forget my toy.
Hey Mom, do you like this? Here was your home.
Yeah. What toy do I get?
Pretend the food is.
This food is expensive.
You ordered a lot, so it's just.
Oh wow. This
Okay,
is an expensive restaurant.
Yep, it is. And you can have a grape. And you can have a grape. And hi guys, make sure to like and subscribe and if you like our videos and thumbs up.
All right.
Bye.
Until next time. Bye. Okay.